Hey there, everyone. Omar with Eclipse Software here, and wanted to show you a method I've been using today for sorting my tasks by priority. So I'm working on this big project right now, and one of the things that I want to keep in mind when I'm working is that I'm making sure to not be working on something for too long that's not a high priority. So what I do is I have this document in my notes called Next Up, Next Up for whatever the project name is. And I have these three, I'll zoom in a little bit. I have the tasks ranked from low, medium, and high priority. So, depending on what it is, I want to make sure that I'm leaving the low priority items until last, and also focusing on the high priority items, as well as um, sometimes it's possible to uh, be more efficient by focusing on something that's not a high priority. But generally, you know, I want to move away from getting sucked into low priority things that could take a long time, and focus on getting the big things knocked out first. And that way I can keep myself on schedule, and when it comes to the end of the project, I'm not sitting there with a bunch of low priority, like a bunch of awesome low priority completed tasks, and all the and then have these big open sores of high priority things that are not finished or even not started. So that's a way for this is kind of like a paradigm to keep in mind when I'm working, is to just organize by priority and work on those high things first. So I hope it helps you, and good luck. Bye.